Good morning, students. Last class we already discussed about the sex-linked inheritance. Sex-linked inheritance. That video is not clarity. So that again I am sending this video. So now I'll explain the first one is what is inheritance. We know the inheritance meaning is transfer of characters from parents to offspring. That is the inheritance. Sex linked inheritance means if the inheritance takes place through the sex chromosomes, takes place through the sex chromosomes, is called as the sex linked inheritance. The sex linked inheritance is mainly two types. One is X linked inheritance, another one is Y linked inheritance. That means some diseases are transmitted through the X chromosomes. Such type of inheritance is called as the X linked inheritance. Some diseases are transmitted through the Y chromosome. That we can call as the Y linked inheritance. So X linked and Y linked. Y linked inheritance example, if you are observing hypertrichosis. Hypertrichosis. So here hairs on pinna, especially this Y linked is disease will getting only in the males, will not getting the females. Next one is the X linked inheritance disease will getting in the both males and females. For this one example is color blindness and hemophilia. Color blindness and hemophilia. Now we will discuss about the color blindness. See here color blindness, hemophilia, color blindness and hemophilia. Color blindness also there in textbook, old textbook hemophilia is given. Color blindness is there in the supplementary reason. Now I am going to explain this one basic concepts about the color blindness and hemophilia. First, capital C is equal to normal gene. Capital H means normal hemophilia, and capital small h means hemophilic gene, small c means color blind gene. Remember, these two are the basics. Next we will discuss about this one, color blindness and hemophilia. Now color blindness, if you are observing the color blindness, see here, this one is the parents. These are the parents. Parents, this one is the female parent, this one is the male parent. XX, male, XX in the female parent, XY is the male parent. Now see here, parent, a normal female, see here X on opposite capital C I have written. Capital C means normal gene. XX, a normal girl is marrying with the color blind boy. So what I said, this color blind hemophilia is the X linked inheritance. I did not write anything on the above the Y. So don't write anything on above Y, nana, because it is not Y linked, X linked inheritance only. Now see here, a normal girl is marrying the color blind boy. So in boys, this one XY is the boy. So on X chromosome one color blind gene is there. So what are the consequences in the first generation? This one is the first offspring. What are the offspring will getting? So see here, this multiplication, this X is multiplied with this 2. Later this X is multiplied with this 2. See here, X, capital C, small c, capital C, small c. Next one is X, Y. You understood? X, Y. This one is the capital C, nothing. I am not written anything here. And this one is the offsprings. Second time if you are multiplying means same genes will come. second time also. So that no need to. So now in their family relation, see here, this one is the F1 first generation. So now they become, these two boy and girl, they become into parents. This become into XX means daughter, and XY become into son. So that means for this girl, he become into a brother. So daughter and sons, daughter and son. For their relation, daughter, for parents relation means daughter and son. For both siblings relation means here sister and brother. Now the percentage of getting the color blindness, see here, XX, capital C, small c, capital C, small c, nana, capital C, small c. The percentage of getting the color blindness is 0%. Why? Because one color blind gene is there, but expression of this color blindness gene is suppressed by the another dominant genes. That's why the female is not getting in the, or daughter is not getting in the first generation. Now she is act as a normal, see here, normal only, she is normal only, but carrier. So next generation she may be transmitting this gene, carrier daughter. You understood? So this one is the, so sister and brother, both of them. So in the parents point of this one. Next one is when she is normal carrier daughter, if these parents are marrying to the another one boy, that relation is son-in-law. So not this person, it's a son-in-law. So now see here, capitals normal son-in-law means XY, capital C only, nothing I have written here, normal person. Nana. So now they multiply it, both of them you can multiply it. If you are multiplying this one means what is the consequences we'll getting, see here, X, you have to multiply like this. Next X, above gametes right on up top, and XY, capital C nothing, and XY, small c, here see here a affected person. So affected person, see here 50% of these two are the 50% of the girls will form and 50% boys are will form. So in 50% of the boys and here 25% are the normal granddaughters. It's a daughter, grand for their relation. So normal granddaughter. And here, see here, this gene is one is the carrier gene is there, another one is suppressing. So that means normal carrier granddaughter. She is also normal only. Normal carrier granddaughter. Next one is third one is in males grandsons point of view. See here, they are all for their relation they are grandsons. XY. So this one is the normal grandson. So this gene is there. So this capital C is their normal grandson. And small c here it is there. So that we indicate the affected grandson. Affected grandson. So now if we are observing this process, we can explain this process. This disease will be transmitted. So actually he as a grandson is getting the affected or getting the disease from the grandfather. He is the grandfather to him. He is the grandfather to him. So that means this disease are transmitted from grandparents to the grandson via daughter. Here daughter is a carrier. So this phenomenon, if you are written, if say this process is continue, if this process is continue means take it Nana here like this. If you are written a line to this grandfather to grandson, see here it will comes like this. It will come like this and like this. Again one more time, if you are drawn like this means like this it will comes. So that means zigzag. So that this inheritance also called as the like this will come. So that means like this. So zigzag. This one also called as zigzag inheritance, or also called as the crisscross. This one zigzag, or also called as the movement of this one. That means this affected person is getting the gene from the grandfather. So the movement of this gene is like a zigzag manner or crisscross manner, so that this inheritance also called as the crisscross inheritance. Crisscross crisscross inheritance. Crisscross inheritance. Next, so this here, Nana, this one shortcut method, simple method I can explain to you. See here, this one if it is become difficult means I can explain this one shortcut method also. You can put it this one. You can put it the Punnett square board. This one is a Punnett square board. Take the capital C here. One thing x, y. On x what you have to there? C is there. Y is nothing, Nana. And here you can take x capital C and x small c. Like this also you can make it very easy method. See here, x capital C, next x capital C small c, next one is x y capital C nothing, and x y small c. So here the normal daughter, carrier granddaughter, so normal grandson, and here is the affected person. Like this also, instead of this one shortcut method, here only take it, Nana. In female's point of view, 25% daughters and 25%. That means 50% of the granddaughters are the unaffected, and here grandsons 25% are unaffected and 25% are affected. If you are taking total siblings in both male and female sexes, this one is the female sex, this one is the male sex. Female and male sexes, total sexes, 75% of the siblings are the normal. 75% of the siblings are normal and only 25% are affected. And if you are taking both of them, here take the capital C small c. Here only if the female's point of view, 100% they are the normal. Now if you are taking only male's point of view, 50% are affected, 50% are not affected. Affected. 50% are affected, 50% are affected, 50% not affected. So on this, so many problems also there, Nana. In a pedigree analysis also, how to solve some problems also basing on this one. Next one is what is color blindness? So same thing here, color blindness. Hemophilia means so we are taking the capital C small c genes. Instead of the capital C, if you are taking the H and H, that means hemophilia if you are taking means then automatically the same thing, everything it will come same only. Next, color blindness. What is color blindness means? The peoples are unable to see the red color or are unable to distinguish properly of the red color, green color and blue color. Think about this color blindness test is compulsory during the time of the medical test. Those who are qualified for the for the medical exam in government jobs especially. So now they are unable to distinguish the red color and green color. Like these peoples are not qualified. They are not deserving candidate to getting the. Students, what is color blindness? Color blindness means the peoples are unable to see the. See here, color blindness. What is the meaning of color blindness? These color blindness peoples are unable to distinguish some colors. What are that colors? The red color, green color, blue color. Because in our retina, red color producing cone cells are absent. If red color producing cone cells are there, if that cells are production is absent means that we can call as the red color blindness. and green cones producing genes are also present on the retina. Suppose green color producing cones are absent, means that we can call as the green blindness, and blue color blindness. So what I am saying, all these red cones and green cones producing and blue color producing cones, and red color producing cones, green color producing cones, and blue color producing cones, all these cones producing genes are present on the X chromosome. They are present on the X chromosomes. So in that genes, if that deficiency is happening at there, that will getting the color blindness. Next one is hemophilia. Hemophilia means is also called as the bleeder's disease. Bleeder's disease are also called as the royal disease. Royal disease. This disease was first discovered in the royal family, England. So that this is also called as royal disease. This hemophilia patients, what is the main process of the main effect of the hemophilia? In hemophilia patients, the clotting of the blood is delayed. The clotting of blood is delayed. Suppose if you are taking so actually if any injury is happening to the human beings, if anyone, what happening, within 5 to 8 minutes the blood clotting will be takes place, Nana. But the people who are having the hemophilia, this hemophilia is hemophilia responsible genes are present on the X chromosomes. In hemophilia patients, the blood clotting is delayed. That means blood will be clot. Blood will be clot, not like normal person, but it will be delayed. That means it will take the 24 hours, nearly 24 hours to 48 hours. Minimum 1 day to 2 days time will take place for clotting of the blood. So that this we can call as the hemophilia. In hemophilia, mainly there are two types of hemophilia is there. One is the hemophilia A and hemophilia B. In hemophilia A is common. It's common in most of the cases, in most of the peoples. So this hemophilia is responsible for the delaying of the eighth factor, absence of the eighth factor. Absence responsible for the hemophilia A, and hemophilia B, ninth factor absence causing to the hemophilia B. This one is uncommon. So this hemophilia B also called as this one ninth factor also called as the Christmas factor, because this hemophilia B is first discovered in the patient Christmas, so that this factor also called as the Christmas factor. See Nana, what is hemophilia? Here listen carefully. Here I am showing here. See this one, soluble fibrins will converted into insoluble fibrins. These are the small fibrins. These are all the long insoluble fibrins in the presence of thrombokinase enzyme. If insoluble in the long insoluble fibrins, blood clotting process. See, these are all the blood cells, RBC, WBC, like this. So these are all insoluble long thread-like fibers should form. Soluble fibers means so short fibers are there. But what I am saying is soluble fibers should converted into the insoluble fibrins. This reaction will take place after the injury of the skin. So in that time what happening, thrombokinase should be synthesized. This thrombokinase synthesis is depends upon the 12 factors. Factors means it is a protein factors. 12 factors. Among the 12 factor, one of the factor I shown, this one is the 8th factor and 9th factor. See here, factor means it's a protein, Nana. Factor means protein. If you are observing the protein, this will be mRNA, and here it will be DNA. What I am saying, DNA is nothing but gene. So this protein, either maybe 8th factor, this protein formation or 12th factor, that factor protein formation is under the control of this gene. If this gene is absent, means this protein is not produced, that factor is not produced. That is the concept about the hemophilia.